First of all, a warm welcome to all of you to our stall. We are actually thrilled to be back at IMTEX, and this is a platform for us where we get to meet, greet our customers face to face, and we also discuss with them the technology trends, and we also talk to them about the way forward. So we are all excited, to be here to meet our esteemed customers. Moving on, this is also to inform our customers who are seeing this broadcast. We are located at stall number 3, at hall number 3A. So if you are anywhere at IMTEX, kindly visit us at hall 3A. And in case you're not visiting IMTEX, there is a live broadcast of some of the events that will be happening in our stall. So please stay tuned. Just to inform all of you and also to the customers that in this year's IMTEX, we are showcasing our coordinate measuring machine, surface and form measurement machine, the CT X-ray machine, the optical machine, the 3D scanning technology, Industry 4 solutions, and our service offerings. So with this, I would now request Mr. Wilson Thomas, Managing Director of ZEISS India, to come on to the stage and address all of us.
Will, thank you very much. This is a brilliant stall, I can say. Yeah? First of all, I have to thank my colleagues in the various departments who put up this great show. It takes a lot of work. I've done it myself maybe 15 years ago, putting up the show like this. And it tells me how the business has changed over time. In the past, it would be all automotive components for metrology. Yeah? We would only do, our business was 80% focused on automotive. I think from there it's down to 30%, which shows that we have moved away from just measurements for the auto car to general metrology. And when I walk through when I see the instruments that has been displayed, it's a big shocker for me. You've got microscopes, you've got 3D reverse engineering stuff, you've got a lot of digitalization. I think what I hear a lot is digitalization, and I guess no matter what hardware we have, we really need a lot to do on digital. Yeah, and I see the power of ZEISS innovation on the stall. So many new products which I have not seen in the last 4 years, and since personally I have been detached from day-to-day business, for me this is a great feeling. And what I like is, and your team, is that you are focused on the customer. So everything in the stall that I see is revolving around the customer. And I think you got it right. Rohan, thank you very much for keeping that in mind. If we focus our objectives around the customer, we cannot go wrong. And my message to all my colleagues here is, customer decides our future. So please take good care of them. Make sure they understand our technology. Make sure you handhold them into the digital era, because there are a lot of SMEs who may not understand digital, who may not understand the power of innovation, and it is left to us to simplify technology and make our customers successful in line with the ZEISS vision. Thank you very much. Well done and good show.
Thank you, Wilson. Okay, so finally it's the show time, what we have been waiting for. We'll be doing 3 product launches at this year's IMTEX. So the first of the launch, what we want to do is offering the Metrotom 1 X-ray machine for the Indian market. So Rohan, can we have the AV of the product, please? So Wilson, can I request you to do the honors, please? Yeah. Thank you, Wilson. Can I now request Hemant to come over and talk a few lines about this product?
Hi. Hello. Yeah. Thank you for coming in. And this is the launch of Metrotom 1. Sir, you know about Metrotoms because that's the first product from CT, from ZEISS. And that has evolved long way. You have heard about 1500, 800, and this one is Metrotom 1. So what is that expectation from you on Metrotom 1?
I mean, it's very interesting to see the footprint is very small, yeah?
Yeah.
When I sold, or rather came close to selling the first Metrotom, it was a big mammoth animal, yeah?
Yes, yes.
Costing roughly $500,000,
Yeah.
rather euros.
Yes.
Is this affordable, Hemant?
Very much affordable because that is always urged from our sales colleague and also from our customers that why don't you have some simple product wherein it can just measure a component and also show the internal defects. And this is a 160 kV machine built for plastic as well as for the light alloy material like aluminum. So it can cater to both plastic segment as well as aluminum segment, and you can have both metrology aspect as well as analysis, material analysis aspect. So this is a right product for any customer who is willing to look at metrology and material analysis. Metrotom 1 is the right product.
Hemant, I'm thinking of an idea just now. If the equipment is so small and with a small footprint and is affordable, can we reach it out to academia? Can we create employment? Can we get students trained on the software? How many people can get employment by getting trained on this Metrotom?
Of course, I think this we have already taken to institutions, many industrial sectors where people are more interested. The moment we share this information about the specification and the price point, they are more than willing to invest on this. So I think this will definitely reach to a lot of customer, and especially the software is quite intuitive where you learn this product within 2 days. Even the installation time is less than 2 days. So this is absolute simple product, and this will definitely make a lot of benchmark in the industry. And interestingly, as you know, with a lot of your suggestion, we also have this machine in our Chennai Tech Center. So if somebody wants to have a real experience of this machine, we have this machine placed in our Chennai Tech Center. They can come with the product, they can measure, and then they can go back with the results. So that experience you will like.
So if I have a small product like this, I think I can bring it to the Chennai Tech Center. But
Absolutely.
how big? What about a product of this size, like this tool here? Where can I bring it?
That's what we have different product range. So right now for Metrotom 1, we can give you, if the parts are small as 165 millimeter diameter and height of 140 millimeter, we can use our Metrotom 1. For this, we have Metrotom 1500, and we have different product range with us. So depending on the customer's requirement, we can offer different solutions what we have in X-ray. Even if you want to install the machine in the shop floor, we have a solution. We have shop floor machine, X-ray machines installed worldwide, and it is running very successfully. So I think we have complete range of product in X-ray with us.
Brilliant, Hemant, and good luck.
Yeah.
I wish you and the team and this great ZEISS team here a lot of success in giving customers solutions
Yeah.
that can make them successful. Yeah.
Sure.
Ultimately, our dream is to make our customers successful. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And one last point to add, because since we don't have the machine display over here, our marketing guys have done some tools. They have kept some tools. If you want to have a live or experience, we call some, now it's mixed reality. We have HoloLens 2 with us, where if you want to have a feel of machine or you want to see in front of your eyes how the machine will look like, we have a tool to do that. So maybe the message for our sales colleagues is they can bring in the customer to the HoloLens group. They can show you the machine directly.
Very well done. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Hemant. That was really something. Thank you. Okay, moving on. The next product on the list is the Surfcom Next series, what we are launching for the bearing industry. So this is another product that will get unveiled today. So can we
Sir, I would like you to do the honors in a way, right? So once Wilson sir, please unveil the product and then we'll move on to the unveiling. So we have this product on display in the.
Maybe Naveen, you can tell a few lines about this product. Definitely, sir, definitely.
Hello sir, my name is Naveen. I am the product head for SFNG products which include roughness, contour and roundness. With your permission, I would like to brief you about the product. The first thing, as the name indicates, the Next series. It is designed for the next generation with so many advanced features. Yeah, you can come. Okay. Yeah. So the most important thing is the sensor what we use here is called a hybrid sensor, which can measure both roughness and contour in a single trace. And we don't have to change the stylus also. And this machine is mainly designed for the bearing industry, where it could be related to IC engine or EV or even aerospace. So the bearing is very common part we use. So here, even by using the long stylus, we can get range up to 52 millimeter for both roughness and contour. And that is the highest in this category of products. And the next most important thing is it has got so many patents for it. Like the drive mechanism, what we use here is called the linear motor technology. It is again non-contact drive mechanism with we can guarantee the accuracy in level of nanometer. And the high-speed machine, it can move at 100 mm per second, and it has got auto temperature compensation. Even the temperature is varying in the standard room, I can use this machine. And when I use the machine at high speed, again there is a risk factor. It has got complete collision protection for the machine body. If something is touching, some external body is touching, the machine will stop. And the most important thing is the price is very attractive. We can offer very attractive price to the customer.
Thank you, Naveen. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. So moving on, we will have the next product unveiled. The next in the list is the Contura series of machines, what we'll be launching for both domestic as well as international markets. So I would now request Mr. Prajapati to kindly unveil. Just to tell a little bit about Mr. Prajapati. Mr. Prajapati heads the corporate quality for Tata Advanced Systems. He's based out of Hyderabad, and we are very fortunate that Mr. Prajapati happened to visit IMTEX, and we happened to meet us here, and we want to take this opportunity to request Mr. Prajapati to unveil this product for us. Can I request Mr. Prajapati, please? Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Arsilan, can you please take us through about the features of this product, please?
Sure, sir. Good morning, everyone. This is Arasilan. I'm just taking care of sales for Chennai region. And this is our new launch, it's Contura. And it's a mass, basically it comes as a mass systems. You can put a rotational probe head as well as a fixed probe head. There's a unique feature. This technology is available in our Acura machines. So now the market is demanding flexibility as well as precision at a cost factors. So I think this machine can cater all these three aspects and without compromising on the quality things. The machine what we displayed here is 700, 1 meter 600 machine, and we have a size up to 1.2 meter X and 2.4 meter in Y and 1 meter in Z axis. And now if you want to have a flexibility, you can go for a rotational probe head, and the futures, the fixed probe is demanded. You can buy a fixed probe head and you can directly use the machines. And for a gear applications, the rotary table is there, which kind of RT, RB, what we called us, and it can carry the capacity of 100 kgs. And the accuracy of the machine starts from 1.6 microns and it's up to 2.1 micron accuracy. I would say, and major advantage of our old generation to the new one is the DLC, is a diamond-like carbon coating. It improves your measurement speed without compromising on the quality and the results. Yes, this is one of a kind, and we are exporting a footprint and forcing the machine. And the major thing is this machine is built in India. It's a make in India machine. I can proudly say that. Thank you. Yes, sir. If you want to have an optical probe head, you have to buy our IDS systems. Not only optical, you can also have a scanner, laser scanner, and also have one more sensor called dart scan, where you can do the contour in a Z-axis measurements. So it's a full-fledged machines. So you can add an option and every time when the requirements comes.
Will you provide an upgrade to the existing machines with the
That's
laser scanners?
That's a challenge, and probably my production person can.
I have almost 20 machines. So
Sir, I can replace it, sir, not upgrade it. I can replace with the new machines.
let's look at. I think
Yes,
this
sir.
is an interesting option.
Yeah.
The time and accuracy. Both
Correct,
are-
sir. That's what. So upgrading the older machines.
No, so new machines obviously will buy with this, but the older one also needs probably upgrade. with a discount price, obviously. But
Sure, sir.
nice,
Sure.
nice.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Arsu. Thank you.
Mr. Prajapati, first of all, we are very grateful for the opportunity given to ZEISS
You're being
so
very
far.
formal, Uday.
Yeah. And we are very glad that we could meet your expectations, all your stringent requirements. But it was wonderful journey so far. We have only one or two questions to you.
Please go ahead.
Now, first of all, what else do you expect from ZEISS? Where we should focus upon now? Where we should go further?
No, so I've been talking to your leadership that don't sell me equipments. Sell me solutions.
Yeah,
And without compromising on quality,
Yeah.
better, faster, and cheaper. If you can give me equipments and solution
Yeah.
which doesn't compromise on quality, but faster and it's a competitive world, cheaper.
Absolutely.
And I think I've been associated with ZEISS as a customer for more than 15 years now. And
Thank you so
all
much.
of you know that if there's a CMM need to be buy,
Yeah.
it's ZEISS. And you would see, I think we have O-Inspect, we have GOM, we have multiple ZEISS machines, the 5-axis rotary machines. So a lot of them. So the only thing is, develop technologies. Look at whenever you develop technology, better, faster, cheaper.
Very fantastic message to all of us. It's not selling a product, it's selling a solution, complete solution. But just to keep you informed, last 2 years we have reorganized ourselves and we have regrouped ourselves. We are focusing on the solution now, as you said, rightly suggested by you. Last question. 5 years down the line or 10 years down, what do you think what will be the expectation for the inspection?
So I'll tell you, being a quality head, if I make this kind of wild statements, I don't want inspection. It's not a value added. If your processes are actually able to do. So if there are technologies which are associated with the manufacturing, and during the manufacturing, if they can tell us that the quality is right, then you don't need. Inspection is a gate. And whenever there is a gate fails because of any reason, for people, equipment, environment, you have a defective product. We need to ensure that our processes are so well built, including, so all the controls should be there during the manufacturing process. So if you really look at when the equipment is produced or the component is produced, it is ensured. Like if you look at in hospital industry, when a surgeon performs a duty, there's no quality control inspector who goes and says that the operation is successful or not. So I would really look at our industry also to look into that that inspection becomes the part of the process and we produce properly, not become a gate. So that's my expectation.
We take a clue that we should come out of a metrology lab and come to a production shop here to take care of the whole process. I think that's a message for us.
And that's going to be the world because again, people will make mistakes, and when they make a mistake, and typically in aviation industry, you can't afford to make mistakes. So you would be looking at processes becoming stable, and they become part of the process, not be at the end gate of the process.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for all your feedback and
Thank you,
points.
Uday.
Thank you.
With this, we come to the end of all the product launches. I'm sure these 3 products what we have launched today will definitely augment the basket of solutions what we already have to understand the pain points of the customer, to be with the customer and solve all the issues. So thank you so much, all of you, to have been a part of this historic event. Thank you all, and I'm sure this IMTEX is going to be very interesting because we are doing this after 2.5 years. So we get to meet a lot of customers. Please, talk to them, interact with them, understand what are their pain points, how do we address them, understand what are the trends that are going to come in the next 3 years, so that we are better prepared and actually work around what the customer wants. So this is the message. And the next thing is, please stay safe, take care, wear a mask. COVID is around, so please stay safe and all the best. Thank you very much.